The philosophy of Kumbh Mela, one of the largest spiritual gatherings in the world, is deeply rooted in Indian spirituality, mythology, and religious practice. It centers on self-purification, spiritual enlightenment, and the pursuit of liberation, moksha. Here are the key aspects of the philosophy behind Kumbh Mela. Mythological origins and spiritual significance. Samudra Manthan, churning of the ocean. The origins of Kumbh Mela are traced to the Hindu mythological story of the churning of the ocean of milk, Samudra Manthan, by the gods, devas, and demons, asuras, to extract the nectar of immortality, Amrit. During the struggle, drops of the nectar fell at 4 locations, Prayagraj, Allahabad, Haridwar, Nashik, and Ujjain, which became the sites for the Kumbh Mela. Bathing in the rivers at these locations is believed to cleanse sins and grant spiritual merit. The festival symbolized the eternal quest for immortality and spiritual wisdom, purification and liberation. The act of bathing in the sacred rivers, such as the Ganga, Yamuna, and the mythical Saraswati at Prayagraj, is believed to purify individuals of their sins and help them progress toward liberation, moksha. This reflects the Hindu belief in the power of sacred waters to cleanse and rejuvenate the soul. Union of body, mind, and spirit. The word Kumbh means pot, symbolizing the human body and its potential to hold spiritual energy. The Mela emphasizes the importance of nurturing one's inner self through meditation, prayer, and rituals, fostering a union of body, mind, and spirit. Cosmic alignment and auspiciousness. The timing of Kumbh Mela is determined by astrological alignments of the Sun, Moon, and Jupiter, making it a highly auspicious occasion. This reflects the philosophy of aligning human actions with cosmic rhythms to achieve spiritual harmony.
और हमारे संगम स्नान घाट की न लगाएं किसी भी प्रकार से पहले। सभी वाहन चालक ध्यान दें, सभी वाहन चालक ध्यान दें। आप लोग अपने अपने वाहन पार्किंग में ले जाएं। स्नान घाट पे किसी भी प्रकार के वाहन।
Community and spiritual exchange. Kumbh Mela is a meeting place for spiritual seekers, saints, ascetics, and pilgrims from diverse backgrounds. This fosters the exchange of ideas, teachings, and spiritual practices, creating a sense of unity and shared purpose. It reflects the inclusive nature of Hindu philosophy, which emphasizes universal connectedness.
पूरी पब्लिक दिखा दो, वापस घूम के मेरे पास ही आ जाओ। घूम जाओ पूरा, वापस धीरे से घूमो, फटाफट। वहाँ पर ये जरूर पब्लिक को दिखाओ।
Renunciation and detachment. Many ascetics, sadhus, and monks, including the Naga sadhus, participate in Kumbh Mela, showcasing the principles of renunciation, detachment, and devotion. They remind participants of the transient nature of material life and the importance of seeking higher truths. Pilgrimage as a transformational journey. Pilgrimage, Tirthayatra, is an essential aspect of Hindu philosophy. Kumbh Mela provides an opportunity for individuals to embark on a journey of self-discovery, discipline, and spiritual growth.
जय श्री राम, जय श्री राम।
The physical act of traveling to the Kumbh Mela is seen as a metaphor for the inner journey toward the divine. Celebration of faith. The massive scale of the event reflects the collective faith of millions of people. This faith is a testament to the enduring relevance of ancient spiritual traditions and their ability to inspire hope, resilience, and devotion. In essence, the philosophy of Kumbh Mela combines mythological, cosmic, and spiritual dimensions to inspire participants to connect with the divine, cleanse their inner selves, and seek liberation in a communal and sacred setting. It celebrates the timeless principles of devotion, self-purification, and universal harmony.
जय श्री राम, जय श्री राम। આ ગંગા સ્થાન છે। બોટની અંદર તમારે જવું હોય અડધી કલાકની અંદર તમને અંદર જઈ અને દર્શન કરાવે, રાઉન્ડ મરાવે ફરતા અને દર્શન કરાવે અને અંદર જવાના અત્યારે 300 રૂપિયા એક આદમીના 300 રૂપિયા
Yes, Indian people are deeply rooted in their faith when it comes to the Kumbh Mela. The festival holds a special place in the hearts of millions as it embodies the spiritual essence of Indian culture and traditions. Here is why this immense faith is evident. Hindus revere rivers like the Ganga, Yamuna, and Saraswati as holy, believing that bathing in their waters during Kumbh Mela washes away sins and purifies the soul. This act, known as the Shahi Snan, royal bath, is a profound expression of faith and hope for liberation, moksha. The sheer scale of the gathering, millions of pilgrims, saints, and seekers from every corner of India, demonstrates the depth of collective faith. People endure long journeys, often on foot, and challenging conditions to participate in this once-in-a-lifetime event. Kumbh Mela is an opportunity for devotees to seek blessings and guidance from saints, sadhus, and ascetics, yogis, some of whom live in isolation for years.
જય શ્રી રામ, જય ગંગા મૈયા।
The sight of Naga sadhus, naked ascetics covered in ash, and other holy figures inspires awe and strengthens faith in the power of renunciation and spirituality. The Kumbh Mela transcends social, economic, and cultural barriers. People from different walks of life come together, bound by their shared faith. This unity reinforces the belief that spirituality is universal and inclusive. For many, attending the Kumbh Mela is not just a religious duty but also an act of resilience. It reflects their unshakable belief that divine blessings can provide strength, hope, and clarity to face life's challenges. The Kumbh Mela's roots in the Samudra Manthan myth, the struggle between gods and demons over the nectar of immortality, resonates deeply with devotees.
आ जाइए ये भी छोड़ करके यहाँ आई है। आप आ जाइए, नजदीक आ जाइए भैया। कमला देवी बोली आ जाइए।
जय माँ गंगा तारा दर्शन થઈ ગયા, નાઈ લીધા અને મસ્ત મજા આવી ગઈ। ઠંડી જરાય નથી બિલકુલ। અમે નાવા ગયા ત્યારે બહુ ઠંડી લાગી, નાઈને આવ્યા પછી બિલકુલ ઠંડી હતી, જરાય નહીં, એક પણ નહીં, એકદમ મજા આવી ગઈ। अरे मारा परिवार लઈને आया, बधाने दर्शन करावा हो, यही मांगनी करूँ છું माँ सरस्वती પાસે।
और आज ये पूरा दिन ऐसे ही घूमेंगे, ठंडी है ही नहीं। जय श्री राम।
जय गंगा मैया, जय गंगा मैया। अच्छा गुरुजी नहीं है।
ए बाबू, ए सीधा पीछे रख। खाली फोटो के चक्कर में है ना।
वह समय आ गया है जो बटुक ब्राह्मणों के माध्यम से वैदिक मंत्रों के
They believe their participation connects them to this cosmic narrative and brings them closer to the divine. For participants, Kumbh Mela is more than a ritual, it's a transformative experience. People believe that the spiritual practices, prayers, and holy dips they perform during the Mela will renew their lives, offering them a fresh start. Indian people's faith in the Kumbh Mela is a reflection of their trust in spirituality, tradition, and the divine. It demonstrates the power of belief to unite, inspire, and uplift millions in a shared quest for inner peace and liberation.